I'm in a big mess. I have produced over 100 videos. Well, 100 that was a long time ago. But anyway, I've never created such a mess as I have done right now. What I've done is I've fitted the extra silencer on my choreographic X-Pipe exhaust on my review of the system. Link above if you haven't seen that. And I've received so many email and messages to say, remove those tailpipes. Even choreographic contact me and said, we're going to send you a carbon fiber one to get that proper sound out of our X-Pipe race system. Janko, the ones that you fitted is for emergency only. Let's say you go to a racetrack and the noise level is too high according to the regulation and someone is, measuring the sound towards your vehicle. That's when you pull out those and fit them on the track, on the system to be able to perform the track day. Whew. So, have you seen such a beautiful tailpipe before? I love the thickness that you have. Oof, it looks so beautiful. This is proper German engineering. You feel it when you touch it. Splendid, splendid, splendid. Nothing to complain about here. But I've also created, let's say at least a bit of a mess in my garage. Well, this is the mess I have created in my garage. You see, on top here I have my SPYDER and I actually put her for sleep for the benefit of my Porsche 928 S4 that I just wanted to focus on the last month of the season. But now when choreographic has sent me the new tailpipe, well, I guess we need to remove this one. Well, throw out the 28, down with us. Oh my gosh, my HRE wheels are already in storage. Had to settle with a stock one then. 13 millimeters, that's what you need to remove the... Well, okay, you call them ugly tailpipes. I like them. So let's have a closer look to the options that we have. First of all, these are the stock tailpipes, and as you can see, the diameter are quite different in between them, but they will fit on choreographics, but you need plenty of time, tools to expand this part. That's my problem, and that's what I had, and that's why I fitted those what I call quite interesting heritage pipes that, well, basically created all the mess for me. But as you can see, the exhaust goes in here and then it turned direction straight down to the asphalt. And these are the beautiful new carbon fiber that I'm just about to fit to my vehicle. And you could spot the difference between the stock. I truly like these choreographic because they are 100% rounded in comparison to stock. Oof, let's fit them. The beauty with the engineering of these tailpipe is when you look at them, they are round, solid round circle, but they are not, because the body shape needs to be taken under consideration. Therefore, you need to certain out which one goes on the left and the right side. That's step number one. Step number two is to remove the clamp and then fit it to the new one. Perfect. Splendid. And then when you have sorted out things, just slide it onto the exhaust and then adjust it how you would like to have it, and then obviously again 13 millimeters. I'm going to use another tool. Fitted. I must admit that the design and the construction engineering of the tailpipe is within millimeters. Pay attention to all the angles and how it follows through on the body. This is proper engineering, ladies and gentlemen. Pay attention to it when you fit it on your car. It's time once again to fire my Spider with choreographic X-pipe race system, and this time not with a silencer but instead tailpipes in carbon fiber. And to my support I have this Python Green GTS 4.0 Boxster. I'm going to use a Rode video mic, and I'm going to place that about 3 meters from the vehicle, doing one take, and the only thing I'm going to adjust in post-press is to adjust the highest volume peak to -1 decibel, and then you could perhaps get a feeling about the huge difference between stock and car graphic. For everybody's information, both car has been warmed up properly because I'm going to do a revving up to maximum 5,000 revs. I am a bit ambivalent towards the 992 GT3. The way my car handles today, well, let's put it this way, I'm not sure I want to sell it, but that's one week. The other week I want to sell it and go to the new 992 GT3. And my friends and family are so tired of listening to me going back and forth what to do. So I have decided to let fate decide what it's going to be. So next spring in 2021, I'm going to put this car for sale at Porsche Center. And if someone buys it, then the 992 GT3 stands next. Otherwise, I will keep it. But before I do that, I have to remove everything that is not stock, because you cannot put a car this new into a Porsche Center that is not stock. So if you are interested to buy this vehicle with all the modification that I have made, then please send me an email address below, and we can discuss to see if you are the new owner of this vehicle with all the modifications that I have done. I cannot believe how big difference it is between stock and car graphic. I might have called it a sound system, but I stand by it. I compare it towards the Bose and Burmeister that you could option out these cars with. For the record, don't use the Burmeister and Bose system towards the 4-door saloons from the Porsche range, where you have the proper space to build car audio. No, car audio for these cars comes from car graphic, and I cannot express enough how thankful I am that they have contributed with so much joy to my Spider. Thank you so much for watching this video and the past videos that I have produced, and a big thanks for your subscription. And they measure the noise your car makes, and well, basically you some days are more difficult than others to produce a video.